You think glasses are just for vision? Think again. Xiaomi has just released something that feels like it's straight out of the future. These are not just glasses. These are smart glasses with AI built inside. The Xiaomi Smart AI glasses are here, and they want to change the way you see the world, literally. This is TapTech, and today we're reviewing Xiaomi's new Smart AI glasses. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes them stand out, what works, and if they're ready for real-world use. So, let's dive in. At first glance, they look like regular glasses. Simple, stylish, lightweight. Nothing that screams futuristic gadget. And that's the first win. Xiaomi didn't try to make them look bulky or strange. You can wear these every day without anyone noticing they're packed with tech. But once you turn them on, everything changes. The Xiaomi Smart AI glasses come with a micro-OLED display built right into the lens. It projects information in front of your eyes without blocking your view. That means you can check messages, see navigation directions, or even translate text in real time, all while looking natural. And here's the real hook. These glasses are powered by Xiaomi's AI assistant. That means they don't just show you information, they understand what you need. Imagine walking in a foreign country and looking at a sign. Instantly, the glasses translate it into your language. No phone. No app. Just instant translation right in front of your eyes. That's a game changer for travel. The build is impressive too. They're light, comfortable, and balanced. Xiaomi made sure they feel like normal eyewear. The frame is strong, yet slim, and you can choose different styles to match your look. They're not just smart, they're wearable. But how do they perform? That's where it gets interesting. Inside, the glasses are powered by a Snapdragon processor optimized for wearables. They run smooth, respond fast, and the AI feels more natural than ever. You can use voice commands, gestures, or even touch controls on the side of the frame. Want to take a photo? Just tap. Want to record a video? Use your voice. Want to get directions? The glasses overlay arrows on your vision. Photography is another big highlight. The Xiaomi Smart AI glasses come with a 12-megapixel camera on the front. Subtle, but powerful. You can capture quick photos or videos without pulling out your phone. For vloggers or creators, this is a whole new way to share experiences hands-free. And yes, there's a privacy indicator light that turns on when the camera is active, so people know you're recording. Battery life is always a concern with smart glasses, but Xiaomi worked on that too. You can get a full day of moderate use on a single charge. And with fast charging through USB-C, topping up takes minutes. Let's talk about the AI features more, because that's the heart of these glasses. Beyond translation and navigation, the AI helps in daily tasks. Need reminders? They appear right in your vision. Need to answer a call? You can see who's calling and respond without touching your phone. The AI can also summarize notifications so you're not overwhelmed. Instead of reading long texts, you just see the key info. And here's one of the strongest hooks: AI-powered vision assistance. The glasses can recognize objects, places, or even products in front of you. Point at a landmark, and it tells you what it is. Look at food in another country, and it gives you details. It's like having a personal guide everywhere you go. The sound experience is another surprise. Instead of traditional speakers, Xiaomi used directional audio built into the frame. That means only you hear the sound, and it doesn't leak much to people around you. Calls, navigation, or AI feedback all sound clear without the need for earbuds. So who are these glasses for? That's the big question. Travelers will love them. Students and professionals can use them for productivity. creators can capture content in new ways. And for everyday users, they replace the constant need to check your phone. That alone is a huge lifestyle shift. Now, let's be real. These glasses are not perfect. The display, while bright and sharp, is still small compared to a phone. You're not going to watch movies on them. The camera is good, but not flagship level. And yes, they are more expensive than regular glasses. But when you consider what they offer, it feels like the first true step into everyday augmented reality. Connectivity is solid. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, they sync instantly with your phone. The companion app is clean, making setup and customization simple. Updates will keep adding new features, and Xiaomi has promised AI improvements over time. That's important because these glasses are as much about software as hardware. Privacy is also worth mentioning. Xiaomi added safeguards like the camera light, limited data sharing, and strong encryption. It's not perfect, but it shows they're aware of concerns. What makes these glasses different from anything before is balance. They're futuristic, but practical. They look normal, but feel extraordinary when you use them. Unlike earlier attempts from other brands, Xiaomi actually made smart glasses people can wear in real life without standing out. And here's the truth, you won't realize how useful they are until you wear them. Not having to grab your phone every few minutes is freeing. Getting instant info in front of your eyes is powerful. And letting AI guide your daily tasks makes life smoother. It's not just technology. It feels like an upgrade to how you live. So, should you buy them? If you love trying new tech and want to experience the future today, yes. If you travel, create, or simply want to cut down on phone use, these glasses make sense. But if you only want basic eyewear or you're worried about the price, they might feel overkill. The Xiaomi Smart AI glasses are bold, ambitious, and practical at the same time. They bring AI out of your phone and put it right in front of your eyes. This is not just the future of wearables, it's the future of how we interact with technology. This is Tap Tech, and that was our review of Xiaomi's new Smart AI glasses. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more authentic tech reviews. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep seeing the world differently.